Good evening, everyone. It is Wednesday, November 24th, 2021, and I am your host, Cricket Lott, for a class on the Young Living Essential Oils. Tonight we're going to talk about, it's going to be pretty short class. One is have a good day protocol, and one is 30 days to change your life. And this is with the feelings kit. So I'm going to go through them. I'm just going to go through them really quick. I have them already saved to an email so I can send them out to you. So if you want the paper copy, you can just text me your email address and I will shoot it off to you. It'll just take me a couple seconds. So the first one is have a good day protocol. And I printed this on the thing I'm going to send you is if you have template for business cards, you know, you can buy them at Office Max, the paper to print business cards. This will fit right on the business cards. And then you can just snap them apart and share them with people. So Gary Young invented everything with Young Living, but this was promoted a lot by Marcella von Harding. And I think she might have given it the name, but Gary's the one that put it together first. And I put these 4 oils right on top of my dresser. So when I come out of the shower to get my clothes, I just put these on before I get dressed. So it only takes a couple seconds and it's real easy. So the first one is Valor, and Valor goes, actually it says on the wrist or the bottom of your feet. I put a roller ball on my Valor. So I just put it on my one wrist, rub the other wrist together, done. The next one is Harmony. This is going to be a little more difficult. Harmony goes, Joy is actually first. Joy goes over your heart. So you can put a drop in your right hand and then just rub it right over that left breast that's close enough to your heart to get into it. Then the next one is Harmony. And again, just one drop. And then it goes on your solar plexus, which is right below your breastbone, that little soft spot in your above your stomach. So when you're naked, it's easy to put it on. When you have clothes on, it's not too easy. So straight, like go straight down from your throat until you don't feel bone anymore. And it goes right down there. And you can also, I know lots of people tell you don't do that. Tip it over on your fingers. I do that a lot, especially for these oils.
It's your own frequency.
Yeah, tip it over and rub it on. So that's Harmony. And then the last one is White Angelica. And White Angelica is for protection from negative energy. So the card says 1 drop, but I put 3 or 4 drops in my hand and then I rub them together, and then you just brush over your head, your shoulders, then down your front, down your legs, down your back, and down the back of your legs. And that's it. And if you have any left on your hands, just rub it around somewhere. I mean, don't wipe your hands off with a Kleenex or anything. Rub that oil on you. So, and then you're on your way. So that's the have a good day protocol. I always call it have a great day protocol, but and so when you first start using this, I recommend that you kind of jot down how you're feeling, what your general mood is most of the time. And then after a week or two, see how you're feeling and see how this is affecting you. So, and then especially this one, the 30 days to change your life. So this one takes a little longer, and I suggest that you do this one morning and when you go to bed. So twice a day. And you can put little, stickers or something on your bottle that says, feet, solar plexus, navel, and then all you got to do is pick up the bottle and rub them on. So again, this one uses Valor. So Valor goes on your feet. So again, a roller ball is really good for this. Valor is in the Black Friday sale. I think it's a 15 milliliter bottle is $56 or something. We'll go through those at the end as an optional piece. So you can sign off if you don't want to watch that, and you can continue watching if you want. So Valor, rub it on your feet. Then Harmony. Again, this is the same that's in the Good Day protocol. So that goes on your solar plexus again. Forgiveness. Forgiveness goes around your navel. So again, just tip it over, rub it on your navel. And let go of negative emotions. Okay, present time. This brings you back to now. Quit living in the past, let go of everything that's happened, and put on present time. Present time goes on your wrists and behind your ears. Okay, release. Release goes over the liver, and the liver is on your right hand side, and just feel where your ribs end and the soft spot on your body is, and release goes right there. And just hold that for a second. That should release feelings of frustration or anger, that kind of thing. Release, anger is an emotion that's stored in the liver. So, and release helps to take care of that. Then the next one is, oh, the smell of this one is so good. Inner child. I love the smell. 1 or 2 drops just under your nose to open the pathway to connecting with your inner self. And then at the very end, put Valor on your feet again to lock in the feelings of completeness and balance. And that is it. Easy peasy. Do that twice a day. Once you do this for about 3 days, you'll remember right where each of the oils go, and you won't even have to look at your piece of paper. But like I say, if you have address labels or something like that, you can just put that on there and write on there, wrist behind the ears, over the liver, and then you can just pick up the bottle and use it. If you want to spend more time meditating with it and praying about it, allow me to forgive myself and others for the things I've done, the things I left undone. Bring me into the present time. Let me let go of the past. It will be certainly more effective, but the oils do their work. So let the oils do their work. If you're too busy and you're frustrated by the time it takes, just do it fast. In and out. There you go. Okay. So that's what I have for you tonight. I told you it would be quick and easy. I am going to scroll through the items on the Black Friday list. So if you don't want to watch any more of this video, you can log off now and not watch that. But if you want to see what's on sale, and there is going to be a Cyber Monday sale, but we don't know what's in that yet. So, so Black Friday sale, here it is. And this is, if you just go on the main page and then hit Black Friday sale, you can see all these things. So, this is the newest collection, the Via collection, and you have to click on them to see the prices. So I'm not going to show you the prices. I'm just gonna show you the items. So kits and collections that are 25% off. The Freedom Sleep Kit and the Freedom Release Kit. If you have someone who is dealing with trauma, any type of PTSD issues, these two kits are thebomb.com. And there's a protocol inside of each kit on how to use these. So 25% off, that's a great deal. There's a holiday starter bundle. It has the diffuser with a carrying case and several oils. And there's a fresh space little kit. So you can look up what these prices are. Oh, and one thing went out of stock. This was the mini, oh, maybe it was the white, what's that diffuser called? Aria.
Oh, the Aria. Yeah,
white Aria. There's a bunch of CBD stuff that's 25% off. The muscle rub tins, there's 10 little tins in there. So it's great for sharing or for carrying in your purse if you don't want to carry that bigger bottle. Cinnamon, 500 milligrams, cinnamon 1000 milligrams, citrus 500 milligrams, citrus 1000 milligrams, and mint 1000 milligrams. Roll-ons 20% off. So Kid Power, Tummy Jive, Sniffles, and Rutavala. Cannot say enough about Rutavala for going to sleep, for relaxing.
Yes, indeed.
Yeah. It is not in the top 10 list of greatest smelling oils, but rub that baby on your feet and tuck your feet under the covers real quick. You'll be out like a light. Lip balms, cinnamon and lavender are 20% off. So they're like $3.50. So great stocking stuffers. The supplements of Life 9, Inner Defense, and Mighty Pro. So Life 9 in the morning and one of these two probiotics in the evening. Mighty Pro, it's in the Kid Sense line, but I take this because I can never remember to take the Life 9 that's sitting in my refrigerator. This one I can put in my nightstand, and when I open the drawer to take out my glasses, I pick up a packet of Mighty Pros, slice it open, pour it in, and let it dissolve in my mouth. So it works. Okay, buy one, get one, shampoo and conditioner. So if you buy a Copaiba vanilla shampoo, you get a Copaiba vanilla conditioner. And the same with lavender mint shampoo. Buy a shampoo, get a conditioner. Okay, and then 30% off 30 essential oils. I have never seen this in the, what, 2008 to 2021. What, 13 years? Yeah. I've never seen 30% off.
Wow.
So stock up.
Yeah.
Thieves, lavender, lemon, peppermint. Oh my gosh, staples that you got to have all the time. Purification, stress away. Are you kidding me? For the holidays. Peace and calming right by my bed to help me relax for sleeping. Valor, 15 milliliter of Valor, 30% off.
And Valor is the best because it's the one that you should be using just before you put all the oils on.
Yes, exactly. So you can get that one.
This looks like the everyday oil kit.
Yeah, those first 8 are all of, tea tree, that's in the everyday oil kit. Frankincense, orange, uplifting, The frankincense is a 5 milliliter, so just beware of that. All the rest so far are 15.
And the vanilla.
Yeah,
Vanilla's fine.
vanilla
Okay.
is a 5 milliliter, but that vanilla is just yummy, yummy. Citrus Fresh, RC for respiratory comfort, lime, grapefruit, eucalyptus globulus, another great one for
You
respiratory.
gotta scroll that up a little bit, Cricket.
What's that?
Scroll that up a little bit.
Can you
No.
see it?
Yeah, I have Citrus Fresh now. There we go. Now we have it on there, on the screen.
Okay. You can see eucalyptus globulus.
Oh, now I can. Oh, yep, now we can.
Yeah, eucalyptus
Yep.
globulus.
Yep.
Lemongrass, cedarwood, evergreen essence. If you have an artificial tree, you put this on some paper ornaments and hang it on your tree or put it in your diffuser. It'll smell like a Christmas tree when people walk into your house. Relieve it. Probably the most unknown oil there is for pain relief. Everybody goes to Deep Relief or Panaway or the Cool Azul pain cream, but sometimes Relieve It is the one that takes care of it. So yeah. Inspiration. I don't think I've used this one too much. Clarity for concentration and while you're working. That's a 5 milliliter. Inspiration is a 5 milliliter. Raven, again, respiratory and lots of other things. Abundance, yes, 5 milliliter. Gentle Baby, use this all the time. My niece uses it on her kids all the time. So all kinds of uses, skin issues, you know, calming, any of those kinds of things. Lang Lang. Oh, I love the smell of Lang Lang. Bergamot, also 5 milliliter. It's a citrus oil. And then White Light is out of stock and Daily Divine 5 milliliter.
Daily Divine?
Daily White Light is out of stock.
Yep.
Daily Divine is not yet. It's still there. So yeah. So there you go. Quick and down and dirty on those. So look up the prices. I mean, can't beat 30% off, 25% off. So
No, you
do some
can't.
Christmas shopping, and you can only do this on a shop order. So put it in your cart, not your subscription. It will show the non-sale price on the website, but when you put it in your cart, you'll see above the price it says oils 30% off or BOGO. The shampoo just looks like shampoo, but then you'll see the conditioner somewhere else in your cart and it'll say $0. So
Cool.
you can see I've placed a few orders with this stuff already. And it will
Right.
give you the price if you put it on a cart and not in your subscription.
Okay.
Okay, and that is it for us. Any questions?
Nope.
Okay,
I'm
cool.
excited.
Yeah, they're awesome.
Yeah.
So, all right, everybody have a happy Thanksgiving.
Yes. Happy Thanksgiving, Cricket, and thank you
thank
for
you.
always continuously gifting us with your presence every
Oh,
week to share and bless
thank
us
you.
with
Thank you.
classes.
Thank you.
I'm touched. Just before we got on here, I was just telling Cricket how blessed I am to have her part of our team because
Oh,
she
thank
is an
you.
amazing teacher.
Thank you. Thank you so
You're
much. I
welcome.
love teaching it. I am so, sometimes when I come in here, I'm like, I can't even do this tonight. And when I start talking to people and teaching, it's just like energizing. I'm just,
Yep.
yeah. So,
And I look forward to every Wednesday now.
all right, great. Thanks, Deborah.
You're
All right, good night, everybody. Have a great 4-day weekend.
welcome.
Love
Bye-bye.
you.
Love you too.